right, so this is an onigiri making kit, and I would definitely recommend this if you have more than two people that you want to make onigiri for. These molds are textured so that it helps the rice not stick to it when you're making it. So you fill the bottom with rice, and then you could either just make it 100% rice, or you could fill it with some meat like spam, crab meat, shrimp, salmon, tuna, anything that you'd like. And then you put some additional rice on top and you squish this side down onto it. And it helps really mold the onigiri pieces. And then they can usually come out by themselves. Sometimes you do have to stick a butter knife in there to help get them out, but they usually all really come out pretty easily with this tool. I'll add some pictures in the video so you could see the ones that we made and how they looked. But they were really delicious and it made the process really simple. Traditionally, a lot of people might do it with like saran wrap, but this just makes the process a lot quicker. So if you're feeding a ton of people, you don't have to individually mold each onigiri. You could pop 6 in here and pop them out, and it's just a ton quicker to make. All right, I would definitely recommend.